my channel. Welcome if you're a new subscriber, and welcome back to everyone that has been subscribed from before. Today's video is a quick video on I showed you a mirror that I purchased recently at Five Below. It was a gold framed mirror, which I told you I paid 10 bucks for. Well, I had told you also that I moved a little desk that my mom had, and I put it in my room because I wanted to have a place where I could put my makeup on and have everything just there where I need it. And so I did paint the mirror frame, and I put some Mod Podge after I painted it, and I added some of this charcoal glitter to it, and I think it came out really pretty. I really like the way that it turned out, and I'm gonna show you the little desk with the mirror on it and where I put my makeup and stuff. I don't have a lot of makeup. Anyway, I think it came out really cute. I'm really happy with it, and I wanted to share that with you today. So thank you so much. Easter is approaching. I have one more quick DIY that I'm gonna make for Easter. Hopefully I'll put that up in the next couple of days. And what else? Oh, so I subscribe to the Suzanne Summers beauty box, and I received it the other day, and I really liked it because her product, she's really into natural things. So she makes all her products with natural ingredients and that are really healthy for you. So I subscribe to her box, and when you subscribe, you have the option of doing it either once a month or every 2 months or every 3 months, and I got it every 3 months. So I just received my first box, and it's $50, so I can manage that. Divided into 3, I can manage that. Anyway, they're full-size products, and they are very natural ingredients, so I'm really happy about that, and I'm gonna share that in a quick video with you as well. So thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing, and if you're watching this and you're not subscribed, well, I hope that you consider subscribing and being a part of my channel, and I hope to see all of you in my next video. I hope you take care, and I'll see you soon. Mwah. Bye-bye. Okay, so I am getting ready to tape this mirror so I could paint the frame. And then I'm gonna paint the frame in gray. So I've taped up all around the inside of the mirror, and this is the color that I'm going to use, elephant gray, and I'm going to add a little bit of brown to this gray because the desk that I am putting this in front of, which was my mom's desk, and I'm gonna be using it for my makeup, is not really completely gray, but it is like a taupey gray. So I'm going to add a little brown to this paint. I will show you. This is what I'm gonna mix. I'm gonna mix the apple barrel elephant gray with the burnt umber from apple barrel as well. And I'm going to add just a little bit of brown at a time. And I'm gonna have to let this dry between coats. This is the mirror that I got for 10 bucks at Five Below. And it's a very nice mirror for $10. The frame is not wood, it's plastic, but can't even tell. And that's it for the first coat. When it's dry, I will give it a second coat and show you how it turned out. Okay, so now I'm going to mix some of this Mod Podge, and it's not the glossy, it's the matte, with some of this beautiful charcoal glitter, which it just sparkles with a whole bunch of different colors. And I think that's just perfect for a mirror where you're going to use for makeup. So I'm gonna get to doing that now, and let's see how that turns out. So since Mod Podge dries clear, when it's dry, all that you should be able to see is that sparkling glitter, and I think that's gonna look really pretty. Look at that glitter, you guys. This looks like a mirror that should be in the Cinderella castle at Disney World. I think it's so pretty. Okay, well, I'm gonna go ahead and take it to the bedroom, put it on the little desk, and show you that. Hello, I'm sitting here on in front of my little desk slash vanity, and I am looking at you through my little mirror. You guys, look how cute. And the light shines. It's so pretty. How pretty that shines. Anyway, let me take you through a little tour of my little area here. Let me see if I could switch you around. So here's where I have all my, here are my lip liners. Here are my eyeshadow brushes and mascaras. And I also have my eyeliners. This is the one I like, the e.l.f. I really love that one. And then back here I have my face brushes, right there. And I have my foundations right here. And this blush, which I love. Let me show you that. This is the foundation that I have. This one is really running out. It's a CC from It Cosmetics. Then I have this one, which is Perbelle, which I love. It has an SPF of 43, and I made a video on when I used this foundation. I could link that video in the description below, because this CC cream is amazing. It goes on like a white cream, and then it turns magically to a skin tone that goes well with your skin. I really love that. And I have this CoverGirl Outlast, and I have this airbrush foundation. And this right here is, I'll show you, it's really pretty. This is from Avon, and it is blush. Look how cute this is, you guys. It has all these little blush beads. So I have that, and I have my two little bears. I love those. My sister bought those for me on our trip to Georgia, Faith and Hope. I have that little lamp. Okay, and then I have a drawer down here, which I'm going to empty that and put this in there, which is where I hold the rest of my makeup. And this is the beauty book with all the eyeshadow and the blush, highlighter, and bronzer, and I love those colors. And then I have this Paradise eyeshadow palette, and this is the rest of my makeup. Here are all my lipsticks. Here I have different powders, and I have another blush here, which is almost all gone, as you could see. So I bought these little boxes at the dollar store, and then all these here are also eyeshadow palettes. So I'll just show you some of them. I have that one by e.l.f. I have this one by Wet n Wild. These are just singles. I have another one here, a single. Another one. I have this one. These are some cream shadows, which are really nice. I like those. And then I have these two Wet n Wild little palettes. I also have this one. And this is Wet n Wild as well. And that's it. So I have these little dividers here. Put them back. And those are all my eyeshadows, my powders and lipsticks right there. And I have those two eyeshadows. So thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in my next video. Mwah. Bye guys.